What is your comic about?
Spending.
What's on the cover? What have you spent your money on?
This is one clothes. This is some form of drink, probably bubble tea, I guess, or maybe a grande ice green tea lemonade unsweetened from Starbucks place. There's some chocolate, salmon, nigiri.
Let's take a look at the melon. Wow!
Here it is!
Okay, so it's probably not registered, so we're probably gonna have to register it.
I don't know, it looks pretty good.
Oh, it looks like it's where my registration marks.
Did you make any?
No.
I think it's fine.
Yeah, I think it's spot on.
Nice work, Olivia.
Thanks, Keelin. Oh, it looks really good.
Thank you.
Good choice.
Thank you so much. It's all thanks to you and your amazing color chart that you can order from you. Just pay shipping.
Let's just we just keep plugging everything. Yeah. But the Canadian 20 is a green.
It is green, but I hate playing by the rules.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
So we just printed all of one side of everything, and we're gonna have a little bit of a food break.
Stay tuned.
I'll probably vlog a little bit of our food break.
Wink.
Oh, that looks really professional.
Thanks.
Wow.
I just really don't like using cutting boards.
These tofu things are,
Sorry,
they're gonna be square.
Ah! Yep, that's professional. That's fine. They're gonna boil away.
They're gonna boil, so. You know, normally I don't really care. I just go, you know, I'm just like, here, if you have a non-stick pan, don't do this. We're gonna toss some of these enoki mushrooms. I'm just also using this knife to to stir. You know, I can even use the same knife to put in the soy paste. For this much soup, I'm gonna put this much miso paste. That looks like a lot, but it's a lot of water. Oh god! You know what they say? Don't boil the miso because, right? Because it's gonna kill
Oh my god! Yeah, the bacteria.
the good bacteria. We just killed all the bacteria.
Oh,
Do
shit.
not. Okay, this miso soup is ruined, but we're still gonna drink it, and
Yes.
hopefully it tastes normal. As you may have noticed, we also put in some wakame or seaweed. This thingy.
As you can see, this is just a normal piece of paper. Nothing special. It's flat. But when I do this, and I haven't done it yet, so I don't know if I'm actually going to do it correctly.
And this is brand new. I literally just got it like literally 2 weeks ago, and I haven't used it yet.
I haven't used it at all.
Yeah, there's a surprise for Keelin.
Ooh. Wow. Oh my god,
my
look
God.
at that. That is
Oh my god,
gonna
you
be
can score
full.
2 at a time?
2 at a time. This
Oh
is
my God.
life-changing.
So we had food, and we had to hurry up with the printing because Keelin needs to go.
I need to leave, so we didn't finish printing.
We finished printing. We just didn't finish
We finished printing. We just didn't finish.
the finishing the zine. But Keelin will be back to finish the zine.
That's right. Olivia.
Hey Keelin, how are you doing?
Well,
We are in day 2 of finishing your zines.
yes, we are.
Are you very excited about it?
I'm so excited. I have homework.
So, Keelin has, over the course of one evening, collated all of her pages, and we are now trimming the covers. And afterwards, we made a mock-up of Keelin's zine so that we will know how the rest of the process will go. And it's a good idea in general to make a mock-up of your zine before doing everything, just in case there's something you can preempt in terms of problem solving. So, Keelin is manually stapling her zines because we can't use my booklet maker because of reasons. Keelin knows that it's very important to give a bleed. Yes, so see, like this red is going all the way to the edge. So that is done correctly, and so is this, and everything. So we're gonna do all the bottoms, and then we're gonna do all the tops, and then we're gonna be done, and then we're gonna get bubble tea. Yes. Keelin, what do you think of the zines? Why? But we worked so hard to finish the zines. No, Keelin, you have to tell me.
So I finished my book. We packaged them with a band of paper across the center, the middle of them. These are not my keys. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry, I just realized. And then we put them in a bag. And now I have them. I'm going to take them home.
Mission accomplished.
Thank you.
All right, let's head out. It's so cute.
It's Joyce. Joyce is here.
Yeah. Oh, where? Oh my God, it's Joyce. Should we surprise Joyce?
I don't know. I guess so. Joyce.
Hi.
Hi.
We're just gonna go to Terra, which is an Asian supermarket, and we're just gonna pick up vegetables and then get Keelin and then head home. Alright, so we just came from Coco and Keelin got a milk tea
I got pearl milk tea. That's right. 30% sweet, less ice.
with tapioca or plain?
Tapioca.
Of course. And how's the tapioca today?
Chewy and nice and soft.
That's good to know. And I got what's called a Three guys. It sounds pretty awful, but it looks like this. And the Three guys pertain to the drink having pudding, tapioca, and grass jelly. Yeah. Thank you so much, Keelin, for sponsoring
Thank you.
our Coco trip.
You're welcome.
This is supposed to be our outro, and so some final words for all of you viewers who have just witnessed the making of this bestseller zine that's going to be sold out within 2 minutes.
As you can see, making a zine is not that hard, and you can just basically do it. But also you can just do it.
All right. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe here.
Yes, please. And yeah, and also hopefully we'll do some more vlogs in the future. Of I don't know exactly what, but
Subscribe.
subscribe. Thank you. Bye.